Hello, in this video we are going to solve a quadratic equation problem. So let's read the problem first. They have given two equations, x equals 2y plus 5 and y equals 2x minus 3 times x plus 9. So the question is, how many ordered pair of x, y satisfies the system of equations? And there is no calculator allowed. So to solve this problem, we need to know a couple of things. One is how to solve a quadratic equation and what is the formula for that. So let me give you that. So if we have a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then the values of x can be minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So first let's take the first equation x equals 2y plus 5 and rearrange it. So we get x equals 2y plus 5. So I rearrange it as 2y equals x minus 5. Next we take the second equation y equals and do a Cartesian product. So we get 2x squared plus 18x minus 3x minus 27. Now we multiply the left hand side and the right hand side by 2. So we get 2y equals 4x squared, and I'm going to combine these two. It becomes 15x times 2 is plus 30x and minus 54. And we already know 2y equals x minus 5. So substitute here. So this becomes x minus 5 equals 4x squared plus 30x minus 54. Now I bring this to the left hand side and this side to the right hand side, and then simplifying it. So we get 4x squared plus 29x minus 49 equals 0. So now if you look at it, this is exactly similar to the equation formula which I have given, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So now let's solve for x. So minus b, which will be minus 29 plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 29 squared, minus 4ac. So this will become a minus 4 times 4, and then c is minus 49 divided by 2a, which is 8. Now this becomes a positive number because you have a minus and minus becomes a positive number. So minus 29 plus or minus, this will be some positive number, right? So minus 29 plus some positive number, and then when you do a square root, that's going to be a positive number. So minus 29 plus that number divided by 8 will give you a decimal number, and minus 29 minus that number divided by 8 will give you another number. So we'll have two numbers. It can be a real number. It doesn't need to be an integer. So it can be a real number, and we get two values, which will solve this problem. So you don't need to find the final answer, but all you need to do is say that you get two values for x. So our answer would be C2. That's how you solve this problem. See you in the next video. Bye.